Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about topics that on the minds of thousands of condo owners and future condo buyers in Quebec, Bill 16. And of course the game-changing situations for administrations and condo managements. If you own a condo or you're thinking about buying one, this information you absolutely need to know about. I will talk about the key changes, how it might impact your finances, and what steps you can take to prepare for it. And don't worry, I will break it down in simple terms. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into how Bill 16 will transform condo living in Quebec. What is Bill 16? Adopted on December 5, 2019, aims to modernize the legal framework of divided co-ownership in Quebec. This law was passed to modernize, to improve the way condo buildings in Quebec are managed. Until now, there weren't strict rules about how much money condo boards needed to set aside for future repairs, or even about inspections on aging buildings. Why does this matter? Over time, every building experiences wear and tear. Roofs leak, windows needs replacing, and garage structures weakens. Without a solid plan for these repairs, condo owners can face unexpected, massive expenses. Bill 16 changes all of this by introducing clear rules to protect both current owners and future condo buyers. Let's break down the major changes introduced by Bill 16. Number 1, mandatory inspections. Condo buildings will now need to undergo inspections by independent professionals like home inspectors or engineers or architects. These inspections will create a detailed report on the building's conditions and highlight what needs to be repaired, replaced, or upgraded in the upcoming years. Why is this important? Without inspections, problems like structural issues or water damage can go unnoticed until they become major expenses crisis. Number 2, contributions to the reserve fund. This is one of the biggest changes. Condo administrations now need to have enough money for the repairs identified during the inspections. For example, if an inspection report says you will need $500,000 in roof repairs in 5 years, the condo board must start saving now to have that amount ready. This ensures that repairs are paid for gradually rather than through sudden special assessments. And number 3, transparency for buyers. When you sell a condo, you'll now need to provide a detailed certificate about the building's condition and its reserve fund. This helps potential buyers make informed decisions but could lower property values for buildings with poorly funded reserves. So what does this mean for you as a condo owner? If your building doesn't have enough money saved in its reserve fund, you could face high increases in condo fees. For example, for buildings that are severely underfunded, may see fees double or even triple to meet these new requirements. Retirees or those living on fixed income may feel the impact most. Some owners may even need to sell. Some owners may even need to refinance their homes or take out additional mortgages to cover these new costs. But remember, the system it is designed to avoid sudden financial shocks by encouraging long-term planning and fair contributions. What can you do? Here's how you can prepare. Ask questions. Talk to your condo board and ask about the reserve fund's current status and whether inspections have been done. Number 2, start saving. If your building is underfunded, it's better to start saving now for potential future costs. Stay informed. Educate yourself about the law and how it affects you as a homeowner. Don't forget, knowledge is power. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your family or friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns, and of course how you feel about the Bill 16 and whether you think it's a step in the right direction. My name is Gabriela Jonas and I'm a real estate broker for 20 years. I am here to help. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.